ayaw ko sana mag-retire ka. Unang-una kasi maganda yung pinapakita mong trabaho. At pangalawa, gusto kita kasama. Lalo na pagka happy hour na. But then, you may have your own plans and of course, hindi ka naman pwedeng mapigilan kung yan ang decision mo. But nonetheless, we wish you all the luck. I hope you will enjoy your retirement. Basta importante, masaya ka, but you have to keep yourself busy always para hindi ka mabilis tumanda.
Congratulations, Chris. Happy birthday and good luck sa your retirement. And you have been under to me way back during the RCD time and at this time and during your assignment at the local government sector at Agusan del Norte as auditor. Thank you for meeting you and being under my supervision. You are one of the good auditor that I met during my stay in Cuba. Congratulations.
Happy birthday, Sir Chris. Happy retirement. God bless you always.
Hello, sir. Happy birthday. God bless and more power. May you have many more birthdays to come. Habang pinaskuhan na.
Happy birthday, Sir Chris. May this year you bring happiness, fulfillment, and love. And I wish you have good health and many birthdays to come. God bless, sir. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, sir. I wish you good health and enjoy the next endeavor in your life. And I wish you to build more zip lines. Happy birthday, sir. God bless.
Happy birthday, sir. And enjoy life and God bless.
Happy birthday, sir. And happy retirement.
Hi, Chris. Happy birthday and happy retirement. At long last, you will be free from stress in the preparation of our annual audit reports, especially this time. Good luck on your retirement and God bless you always.
Hi, sir. Happy birthday. I wish you good health and more birthdays to come. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank you for the 10 years we've been together, Mr. Professor. Again, happy birthday.
Sir Chris, this is from Cuba, Surigao del Sur. We wish you good health and more happier in life.
Happy birthday and happy retirement, Sir Chris.
Very happy birthday. Mo-retire na sa Kaubaya, huwati na ay ako. Now, our wish for your 60th birthday, may you have more birthdays to come, and may the Lord bless you always. Kami ni Pare Ed Nimo, yalipay isab nga ikaw mo retire na pero kasayo da isab pare. Hopefully we will be seeing each other in Davao. Si Pare Edgar Nimo is always anticipating na magkaiban gayon kita na niyaton ato mga plano. Sayod ka pare, uno yan to ng mga plano nato. And again, happy birthday.
Nasa tanan akong ipabot ang akong mainito na birthday greeting sa imo. Inaot nato na katagaan ka ng maayo na kalawasan. Ang importante din sa kalibutan, dili kung ang material na butang, kung dili ang atong health. So, inaot nato na ikaw katagaan pa ng haba na kinabuhi, kaya ikaw maayo man na tao, o ibalo ko na daghang pangimo matabangan din sa kalibutan. So, I hope that you will have more blessings and I pray that you will always have good health. O karon pa ko na ipalo, Chris, na ikaw mo retire di ay. Kasayang kay ang Commission on Audit na wadaan ng usa ka very good public servant. Si Chris is one government employee who is a very dedicated public servant. Nakita nako na sincero siya sa iya katungdanan o kugyagid kayo. Gani na mingaw ko karon kay ang akong una-una na makabalik din si Chris Mintras di pamahaman ang akong termino kay katong panahon na niya pa siya na-assign din sa Surigao del Sur, dako gyud ang nahitabang nato niya siya at atong probinsya. So Chris, maginaot ako akong pag-ausbon na ikaw malipayon ka sa imong pag-retire o rest assured na kining atong pagkaamigo magpabilin hantod sa kahangturan. Kay nakita nako na ikaw sa kamayo na tao ug maayo ka na amigo. Gani katong na-assign ka diri sa probinsya, we became very close friends and that will remain as long as I live. Happy birthday sa imo, Chris.